Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Titan door panel. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal kit and either a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm socket. Having a small container ready for screws and clips will keep everything organized. This preparation ensures a smooth process, preventing lost parts and making reassembly much easier. Taking these initial steps saves time and frustration later on, setting you up for success. Next, locate and remove the hidden fasteners. Start by prying off the small trim panel behind the door handle using a flat blade screwdriver or a trim tool. Then, remove the 1 or 2 10mm bolts found inside the door pull handle. Finally, carefully pry up the window switch panel, disconnect its electrical harnesses, and set it aside. With the screws removed, it's time to detach the main panel. Use a trim tool to carefully pry around the edges of the door panel, releasing the plastic retaining clips. Once the clips are free, gently pull the panel away from the door. Be mindful of any remaining connections. Disconnect the door lock and latch cables, as well as any other electrical connectors for lights or speakers, before fully removing the panel. After disconnecting everything, lift the door panel straight up and off the windowsill. Store it in a safe place where it won't get scratched or damaged. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse of removal, ensuring all clips align and electrical connections are secure. Double-check that all screws and bolts are tightened properly. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy wrenching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.